Hello students, welcome to today's class. Hope you all have completed your notes. In the previous lesson, we have learned about various nutrients present in the food, balanced diet, keeping body fit by doing regular exercise, right posture, proper rest. We have seen about types of diseases, modes of transmission of diseases, and how vaccine prevents the disease. Students, what happens if you don't follow traffic rules? Yes, accidents can happen. To be safe, we should follow certain safety rules. What is safety really? Safety means keeping yourself and others free from harm or danger. It means taking care not to fall or bump or run into things. Your parents also must be teaching you certain rules to be safe at home or outside. Today, we will know about safety and first aid. Let us start with safety at home. We feel our home is the safest place, but still accidents can happen. Hence, it is important to follow safety rules at home. Falls are among the most common household accidents, especially for young children and the elderly, and they can lead to serious injuries like broken bones and even death. So, never leave the floor of the kitchen or bathroom wet. Someone may slip on it and get hurt badly. The most serious accidents happen in the kitchen. Electricity is very dangerous and you must be careful around it. Just as electricity travels through cords and power lines, it can also travel through water and through our bodies if you come into direct contact with electricity. Let us see about some safety rules at home. Never play with sharp instruments like knives, blades, etc. These might cause cuts. Never play with lighted matchsticks or firecrackers. You might get burns. Never scatter toys or other things on the floor. Someone may trip over them and get hurt. Never play with electrical appliances. Never ever put your fingers inside electrical sockets. Never eat any unknown thing or medicine. Show it to a trusted person or family elder. Safety on the road. Road traffic safety refers to the methods and measures used to prevent road users from being killed or seriously injured. Typical road users include pedestrians, cyclists, motorists, vehicle passengers. It should be well known that road traffic injuries are one of the highest public health hazards, and in order to bring down the mishaps, one should be well aware of the road safety rules. Let us see what safety measures should be followed when we step out of our home onto the road. Learn road signs and follow them. Do not walk on the road, always walk on the footpath. Cross the road using the subway or at the zebra crossing. Do not take out your arm or head from inside a moving vehicle. Do not get into or out of a moving bus or a train. Play only in safe places like parks and playgrounds, not on the road. Safety from fire. Fire accidents are caused due to many reasons like leakage of cooking gas, petrol and kerosene, short circuit in electricity, bursting of firecrackers, etc. It is necessary to cut off the supply of air to the fire. This is because a fire cannot spread without air. In case of gas leakage in the kitchen, shut down the knob of the regulator of the gas cylinder. Do not light any matchstick or switch on or off any electrical appliance till you can smell the gas to avoid fire. Do not wear synthetic clothes in kitchen while cooking. Electricity has invaded our lives to the extent that we cannot imagine our life without it. Keeping our home free from electrical hazards is very crucial in the time when we hear about the accidents of electrical fires almost every day. Common causes of electrical fires. Misuse of extension cords is another electrical fire cause. When you are experiencing a burnt smell but are not able to identify the source of the smell, then there is a high chance that your circuit is short. Call a professional to get it checked. In case of electric fire, switch off the electric mains, throw sand or mud on the fire. Never use water to douse electric fire. Water conducts electricity and you may get a severe electric shock. Petrol and kerosene fire. Substances that easily catch fire are called combustible substances. For example, kerosene, petrol, etc. We have seen homes, shops, and factories caught in fire. How can the fire be controlled from spreading? Generally, water is used to control fire. Fire produced by the burning of oil or petrol cannot be controlled by throwing water on it because water being heavier than oil settles down the oil and oil continues to burn. In the case of fires caused by burning liquid fuels such as kerosene oil can be controlled by throwing sand or soil over it. Fire due to firecrackers. Cracker bursting not only affect the environment but it also causes noise pollution. These contain explosives and harmful chemicals. Mishandling of fireworks causes fire accidents. Never allow children to handle fireworks without close supervision of adults. Make sure that water is there in a bucket and a good amount of sand is placed near the location where kids burn. In case of fire breaks out due to firecrackers, put out the fire by throwing water over it.